Hey class, I'm Mr. Coursey and I'm going to be your instructor for this course. I'm very excited to have you in my class this year and I hope you enjoyed your summer. My intention is to make your learning experience this year worthwhile, positive, while providing valuable skills for your future careers or education. Us in this program are very fortunate to be in a district that invests in its career and technology education students by providing access to industry equipment and new broadcasting studio to prepare our students for their career paths. The facility consists of our lecture classroom, where you can do research and video editing, photography room, the equipment room, and the broadcasting studio. Our $500,000 broadcasting studio is one of the most modern studios in North Central Texas. It is used by the advanced audio-video production classes and the district media staff. I am trying to build a great program here in Mesquite ISD for audio-video production that students will be proud to belong to and for colleges along with future employers to recruit from. One of the ways that I promote this class is through branding. You will be encouraged and expected to include our production name, Mesquite Student Entertainment and Broadcasting, in almost all of your video productions. With that said, if it has our name on it, it needs to meet our quality standards. We will be posting content of class activities, video projects, images, and information throughout the school year to promote our students and this program to our social media. I strongly encourage students and parents to subscribe to our MSEB social media on YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. In addition to social media, class announcements will be sent through Remind. Parents are welcome to sign up, and all students are expected to be able to receive Remind messages for this class. You can sign up for Remind message through the Remind app, remind.com, or by texting on your cell phone. Our class code is @MISD AAVP. To join by text, text @MISD AAVP to 81010, and you should receive a message confirming you have joined our group. When learning online or in person, we will be using several online resources to conduct class daily. Our Google Classroom will be the main portal for receiving class instructions, assignments, materials, and feedback for students. Official grades for assignments can be found on Skyward. I encourage all parents to sign up to receive notifications for your child's progress and contact me for any concerns regarding your child's progress in this class. Students, it's up to you to stay on top of your grades and be proactive in communicating with me if you are falling behind on assignment deadlines. Many assignments will also be posted on my website at coursey.us/classroom. Some areas are password protected and you will receive the correct password information from Google Classroom. During this first week of school, you will be given several forms to complete for me to get needed information and permission from your parents. Please complete all forms and return or submit them as soon as possible. Most importantly, there is an equipment form that will need to be notarized. The notarization will need to be done before you are able to check out any laptops or audio-video equipment this year. Most of the time, you can get a notary for free done by your school secretary. In addition to that, my wife is a notary, and I will schedule a time for her to be at our campus on a Saturday very soon if that is more convenient for parents and students. Everyone is expected to have this done in order to participate in this class. There are also some class fees that will need to be paid in cash for needed supplies throughout the year to cover the cost of consumables such as batteries and SD cards. You will also receive a class t-shirt that will be purchased with a portion of this money. A due date will be provided for payment very soon. Throughout this year, you will have opportunities to complete projects that will add to your portfolios of work and obtain Adobe certification through Certiport and Adobe Premiere Pro, the video editing software. There is no better way than certification to show that you have mastered a skill and are industry ready. I'm sure you are probably wondering what we'll be doing in class this year. In this class, our goal is to get students industry ready upon graduation. We will be learning about the broad spectrum of television, broadcasting, and film. Students will be working on creating films, news shows, interviews, commercials, and special effects, among many other things. This class is very hands-on, and students are expected to learn as they go while being proactive with their learning by experimentation and practice while working on class projects. My philosophy of teaching is students learn better by hands-on learning opposed to lecture. With that said, students will need to put in the time, planning, and work needed to do their best work. I am proud to say that students in my audio-video production classes have also consistently done very well in regional, state, and national competitions and film festivals under my direction. To receive the best experience in this class, I highly recommend that my students join the TEC chapters I sponsor in the Business Professionals of America and Technology Student Association. I want you to know, in this class, you have access to team members with the highest level of skill, the best technology in the district, instruction, and equipment in the district for audio-video production competitions through this campus. Students that advance in their events will be able to travel and compete with other AVP programs from all over the state of Texas and the nation, paid for by the district. Students that compete in these events learn about preparation, presentation, organization, and doing their best work under pressure while creating memories and accomplishments that they will always be proud to remember. To get the most out of your class experience, be sure to consider signing up for the TSA and BPA under my chapters. In addition, students will be competing in the Mesquite ISD Film Festival at the end of the year. Well, this is my general intro to this class. There's going to be a lot of information to come. Please be sure to watch each video, return needed information and forms, and follow all directions needed.
Hey class, if you like this video, please click like below and subscribe to this channel. Also, like us on Facebook and follow us on Twitter.